I'm gonna see. Fuck, Andy. It's all the way down there. It's only like about a 50-foot drop, dude. Nah, it's like 30. You dropped something.
Yeah, you gotta check this rock as you're coming up. What, like, I dropped like something of mine?
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck it was. It was like a brown piece of paper. Do you remember a brown piece of paper?
You have to take a ridiculous leap up.
You don't have anything to step on there, dude. May not be doable, dude. I like how you're insisting to try to do it. I'm gonna be your conscious right now.
What?
I said I'm gonna be your conscious right now.
What is my conscience telling me?
That I might not be doable. Holy shit. Holy shit. I don't think I'm scared. I'm too scared. I don't think I'll be able to do it. Oh shit. Are you even almost to the top?
Yeah.
Ladies and gents, the man that's insane. So I myself too was crazy and came up with that shit. Quite exhilarating. Andres Gonzalez. You can hear the waterfall. You hear it?
Yeah.
You want to try to get to it?
Yeah. I'm down.
Alright.
We could probably go around that way.
No, to continue we have to go that, it's up that way.
That's what I'm saying. We can go up that way.
That's it.
Fuck, man, I hate sweating so much. Took your glasses off.
Alright. Oh man, my fucking knee hurts.
Really?
Yeah.
From the climb?
Nah, from yesterday when I was running away from the bear. Burned you out, son? Thank you for clearing the path for me. That was fun. We came down from.
I don't even feel like talking through that.
Check it out, look, I'm gonna do it like a boss.
Good luck.
Check it out.
Going
Going up. Following the guide to get to the top. It's not for the faint of heart. As you can see, I'm way up here. Going through these little bushes. Exciting! It's getting hot. Continuing up the trail. Came with my partner in crime to find it. My last attempts were not successful, and now I'm on the right path. Yes. Dandy aerial shot. Pasadena, Rubio Canyon. Good stuff. Signing out to the tap. Yo! I'm on my way, hold up. You're fucking scaring me. Oh shit. What? What way did you go? Through the rocks? I know you can't. It's like impossible. Ladies and gentlemen, we've made it. I feel very accomplished.
Watch it. I'm gonna go that way.
The waterfall. Can't even see it. So you're gonna check to see if it's doable?
What?
To go down?
No, I was gonna go sit down right there. Because there's a pretty cool spot right here you can sit down. In memory, Piper. 1977 to 1995. Somebody fell, huh?
I think we continue down. Leontine Falls. Gonna get to the top. Coming down this way. Some trusty rope right there. We're gonna go down. Woo! Got hot, didn't it?
Put this in my backpack, yeah?
Alright. I'll first get to you. Oh shit. Yeah, got it. Keep going.
Coming up.
Coming up's gonna be easy.
No, it's gonna be slow.
Should have used the trusty rope. So we made it on top of the waterfall. We were chilling right there, and we're on top of it. Fuck, that looks so close. It's ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's a big ass boulder that you can see from there. Amazing. It's slippery. I ain't trying to die or anything like that.
What?
Saying that to get over there so I can see it. Waterfall. Oh, you can see it.
Watch it.
Oh, you're right. So I am literally above it, ladies and gents. A little scary at the same time.
Yeah, it is, because it's like right there.
Death. Guaranteed death. Made it to the top. Now my whole team is here. Shit.
Made it from the bottom now, yeah.
They're chilling over there for a long time. That is the waterfalls. You know, it doesn't look too bad like when if you're rappelling down. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Quite beautiful up here. Alright, I'm on my way. You have it. You want to break it in? Turn around for your your there you go, sir. Look at you.
Didn't even fight him. You should have like.
Indestructible?
Because those, this shit was gone as fuck.
It's at the angle you're doing it. No, do that like a diagonal. You're so content? Not really? For all the times it's hurt you? Don't forget the one on your left that you're about to run into.
That one looks more